Hey everybody, this is me Aditya Roy and happy Mother's Day to all of you. And this is a great moment for all of us as we are devoting one complete day for all the mothers. But I think this is not gonna be enough. कि आपने status लगाया, you were exposing your mother out on the social platform. But I think the best way to present this day can be to take the responsibilities of her. In every situation, like how she has pampered you in the bad days. So can you take the responsibilities like that? So that will be the best dedication for your mother, for everybody's mother. I think the purest and the finest relation in this world exists that can be named as mother and kids relation. There's no relation, there's nobody that can match that affection, that can match that purity, that can match that simplicity of the love, the bondings between the mothers and the kids. As far as my mother is concerned, mummy has been very kind to me always. Mummy has always backed in every situation. I know this is very simple, this is very general, that every mother is to support their kids, but I think not in that way. I won't believe, like when I was growing up as a child, when I was in class 8th, ninth, or 10th, I used to be more a cricketer than anything else. So I used to play cricket for 4 to 5 or 6 hours a day. And like, and I was not a professional cricketer. But then also I still remember, she used to wake up early in the morning by 3:30 or 4 o'clock, and she used to prepare lunch and breakfast for me, so that I could go to play cricket by 5 o'clock. And I used to get the whole breakfast prepared, nice breakfast at early in the morning at 4:30 or 4:45, because after 5 I have to go to field. So that kind of sacrifice, that kind of dedication to you, you like no one can match that. Some of the moment that I used to still remember, like when I didn't used to get back my home by afternoon 1 o'clock or 12 o'clock. So she used to go to the field that time, and that field was around 1.5 kilometer away from my house, and she used to all the way there. And it used to be so emotional, it used to be so madness. That time I used to be so mad at her, like I used to scream her, like क्यों आए और क्या ऐसे हो गया ऐसा वैसा. लेकिन that time I was growing up, so I didn't used to get the thing, like what is the sacrifice, affection and emotion, how she feels for me, how she pampers me growing up. But right now, when I crossed that stage, I used to understand, like I used to understand the pain of any mother. I used to understand the emotions of any mother. I used to understand the dedication to her kids of any mother. So it feels now embarrassing that how I used to like behave when she used to be on the field. But she is very emotional. She is very attached to me. And I know sometimes it becomes so long talking her, but there's always a soft corner for her in my heart. I know I'm not expressive, there's any bond, but it's not like I do not feel for her, I do not have emotions for her. It always still there. And like uh, like I really love her. I really love her. My mother is special to me. My mother is my strength. She understands me better than anyone else in this world. And yeah, so that's the thing about my mother and me. So I think the same relation maybe of yours as well. So just celebrate this day as the ordinary day can be. But one thing that has to be in everyone's mind: always try to pamper her as the way she used to pamper you in the past. Never forget that, because with the time, priority changes. So always try to keep your mother at the first priority, no matter what happens. Thank you so much. Happy Mother's Day once again. Bye. Namaskar. Take care. Sabah khair.